Good day, dear queens. I am Anja from Arwendayle, and today I want to do an unboxing with you. It's not quite an unboxing from scratch because I just opened up the box and looked at the color, and then I realized my camera is not even rolling. So I didn't have her on my head yet. So let's start from me taking her out of the box. The crown is California Beach Waves in the gorgeous color 1723 R8. It's a beautiful brunette, has some red in it, which I love. I absolutely adore this color. I love this crown. I have her in a couple of blonde tones. I never had her in this color, so I'm super excited about it. But let's take a look at the cap construction first. She has a machine wefted cap. She has an extended lace front from ear tab to ear tab. And she has the full monofilament, which we love because you're very flexible where you part your hair. You're very flexible here. You can always see your scalp through, and that's the whole point of the exercise. And of course, each and every hair is knotted in, tied in individually, so you have the natural fall and flow of like natural hair. She has an extended nape and she has Velcro adjusters, so you can adjust the size a little bit. My head circumference is 21.85 inches. Wow, this is a lot of hair. I completely forgot how much hair she has. So the density is definitely a medium density. She has hair, not too much. I love her that way. That's why I love the ones I have in blonde, and I love these curtain bangs. I have a very short forehead. So for me, I definitely have to sweep the hair out of my face. You can certainly cut bangs into them, or please go to a specialist to have it done. Don't do it yourself unless you know what you're doing. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this style. I feel so glamorous. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. I knew it. And California Beach Waves does not disappoint. Love the style. I love the color. I had the color in other styles. So I'm in love. I'm in love. All right. Let's see how 1723 R8 looks in the daylight, even though it looks a little stormy outside, but let's take a look. So this is my happy face. I am in love with this style. I think I have a winner here. Let me know if you like her and what your favorite color is of TressAllure. I'm always interested in your opinions, so I appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another crown review, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a wonderful day. Yours truly.